What's up, traders? My name's Clay. I'm Ronin Forex, and it's July 5th, 2022. And Euro Yen already off to a great start to the week. I guess about 40 or 50 pips in profit now. And this is a super powerful move that we had overnight from Asian session until now. And I think that we're going to see a lot of movement in Euro Yen, Swiss Yen, pretty much all of these yen pairs. And I talked about this in the weekly outlook video. Are super ripe for some moves lower. So check it out. We're talking about multi-time frame analysis and how to do that, how to get at the start of these trends early. This is super powerful strategy that you really want to know. So we had an awesome discussion today on the Accelerator call this morning. So check it out and then stick around to the end, and I'll show you some of my targets to the downside that I'm looking for EJ, DJ, and a couple other yen pairs. Peace.
You know, I think that gives you a really good idea when some of those, like you were looking at EJ and
Swiss yen. Look at Swiss yen. We just now crossed.
Right. So you get a sell flag. You're crossing. The 75 is crossing. I mean, so you're talking about the odds are that maybe we're at the beginning of a longer move down.
Right. I mean, like, I think those are pretty good odds. I mean, we'll see, but like here, 21, that's like a momentum, yep. Just a straight pullback there. So like, yeah, that's huge for sure.
Yeah, look at that right there. Right when.
What's that with pound CAD?
Yeah, just look at it right there, pound CAD, where it crossed the momentum there on the, what is that, the 4 hour? Yeah, I mean, I use the 375, but it doesn't matter. You can see that. Yeah. It just shows you that when you're getting that momentum cross at the same time that everything else looks good, you know.
Look out below.
it could, yeah, exactly. It could be a nice long run.
Yeah, man. And so this is kind of where, and great way to end the call too. And so now it's like if we can shift or focus a little bit, obviously you're not going to find every one where it's like at the start. And I actually have the CCI on here too. It's at a 136, I think. It's 144. It's pretty much saying the same thing though, but lower.
Yeah, I use a CCI actually on a 40, and
nice.
It looks really good. Real quick, like show the US 30 on looking at that in the momentum on the 3.
Yeah, wow, that's.
I think that we're about to.
Yeah, that's
have another significant
call.
75 and 4 hour.
Yeah. So would you wait now for a pullback in the 15?
Yeah. No. What this is just telling me is I think the bias is going to be down. So now I just start looking for setups on the sell side.
Yeah.
You know, and it could be. I mean, who knows? We could have another significant move down.
All right, guys, so this is our Euro Yen trade. This is where we're at now. Super good conversation there from Bobby in the Accelerator group. Bobby, I appreciate you, man. Always on point with your analysis. So, I'm taking my entries off the hourly, off the 15-minute time frame. But, for my long-term analysis here, going out here to the 4 hour this is what I'm looking at on Euro Yen. So, we have this big wick that came down to a retested 200 simple moving average here on EJ. And that really coincides with this level of support. So, whenever I see these big moves, automatically right off the bat, the thing is once you get a working strategy that works for you, then the problem comes, and it's not the worst problem to have, but it's definitely an issue, is like, how long can I hold this trade? How can I stay in trades longer? And this is like one of the things we work on in the Accelerator, is because one, we have a strategy, we have a system, we have something that works. Now, once you know you have a system that works consistently over time, the question becomes, how do I optimize that system? And the obvious answer is, well, holding these winning trades longer, right? Most beginner traders cut the losers short, or let the losers run way too long, and then cut the winners short way too early. So now this is the big move that we had overnight from Asian session, and this is the low, the previous low to the high. Now what I like to do is use my Fibonacci's here from this low to the high, and what I'm doing is I'm looking for confluences here, and we have a nice confluence here at the 161.8. I love this Fibonacci extension. It's massive, and this coincides perfectly with our analysis. You know, we're already up in profits now, and we'll want to break this level of support here for us to turn lower. But man, this is going to be a great setup. So I'm going to be targeting this Fibonacci level probably for the rest of the week, and that's going to go across the board for a lot of these yen pairs. Swiss yen is another one that I really have my sights set on, and we're really prepping up for some big moves here. So we're going to be trading this live in the Accelerator tomorrow, Thursday, and then we have NFP Friday. It's going to be crazy this week. So if you want to join us on our live calls, if you want to learn the exact system, maybe you took that Euro Yen trade and you're like, damn, but then you took the Euro Yen trade last week and you're like, damn. And you know, these trades keep coming out, and it's not like I'm using the same system. My charts don't look any different. And what I'm teaching the members in my group is how to pick these systems. So you got to ask yourself, what kind of price tag would you put on that? What's it worth to you to be able to actually consistently do this over time, rather than trying to figure it out on your own, losing money, blowing challenges, losing accounts, all that stuff. If I can teach you how to do this consistently over time, the exact same way I'm doing this, and then you can pass one challenge, two challenges, whatever, what's that worth to you, right? So, you know, if you're somebody that's like, you know what, I'm sick of trying to figure this out on my own, let's do it, let's make it happen, click the link below. We're going to be trading this live all week, all the way up through NFP. So I can't wait to see you in the group. Click the link below, and let's make it happen for you once and for all. Peace.